HSBC honest review and user experience. Is it the right bank for you? HSBC is a global banking giant, and that reputation comes with big promises. But for someone living in the US, is actually worth choosing over local or online banks? Here's what I discovered during my time using HSBC. From opening an account to managing daily transactions, HSBC felt very professional. The account setup experience was smooth. I created an account, linked external accounts, and applied for a credit card all online. Process took a little longer than some purely digital banks, but I appreciated the clarity at each step. Their mobile app is sleek and functional. I could monitor balances, set up alerts, and send money internationally. Speaking of international transfers, one of HSBC's biggest strengths is global reach. If you travel frequently or need cross-border banking, HSBC's network makes sending money abroad easier and more reliable. On the credit side, HSBC offers several card options, rewards, cashback and travel. My card had decent perks, though not the flashiest you'll find. It felt balanced, good benefits without insane spending thresholds. Customer support was professional but not overly personal. When I asked questions, representatives were knowledgeable, though sometimes replies felt scripted. That said, it was faster than some local banks have tried. Now the trade-offs. Fees can be higher than smaller regional banks. Maintaining minimum balances for certain accounts is something to watch. And if your banking needs are purely domestic, some of HSBC's global advantages may go underused. One surprising benefit, the relationship at branch locations, especially in major cities. Branch staff felt experienced, and they genuinely understood global customer profiles. So, is HSBC the right bank for you? It depends. If you value international banking, frequent global transfers, or a long-term global relationship, HSBC is a very strong choice. But if you mainly need local checking and savings, there may be cheaper or more nimble alternatives. Bottom line, HSBC offers solid global banking with US convenience. If that aligns with your financial goals, it's definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing honest banking breakdowns to guide you.